Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Kumusta po ang inyong pag-apply dyan sa reclassification Well, dapat po kayong hindi ma-stress. Bakit? Ito po, hindi pampatanggal po ito ng stress sa mga nag-apply, sa mga nakapunta sa yung ikaw ay nakapag-demo na at saka nakapag-incoy incoy assessment. Bakit? Ito, meron pong amendments and clarification sa DepEd Order number 24 Series of 2025. Ito po yung guidelines on the implementation of the expanded career progression system for teachers and school heads in the Department of Education. Okay, so ano ba yung talagang nakakatuwa or dapat na kayo ay matuwa dito, or itong ay good news? Hindi ko na alam anong sasabihin, basta good news po ito. Mamaya malalaman ninyo. Ito, sa nakalagay sa number 1 na in line sa DepEd continuing commitment to ensure the effective, efficient, and equitable implementation nitong expanded career progression system for teachers and school heads, ay ito nga, nagbigay po ng amendment para dito. So itong amendments nito ay to clarify transition provisions, refine policy guidelines for consistency, and uphold fairness and adherence to merit and competence-based principles. Nako. They also clarify documentary requirements, strengthen guidance on the qualification standards and performance criteria, and enhance the reclassification and assessment processes to ensure equitable opportunities for all qualified teachers and school heads. So talagang inaano dito na yung issuance shall cover all provisions necessary to ensure effective transition and full implementation of this expanded career progression. Medyo pinapatagal ko na hindi na pa ako lalayo, pupunta na pa ako sa good news. Ito na po mga ka-Jesnabs. Ito na po yung sinasabi kong good news. Nung una ay naririnig nyo lang ito sa mga kasamahan natin sa DepEd or sabi-sabi lang. Ngayon ito talaga talagang nakasulat na po talaga ito na yung Career Assessment Results or CAR for expanded reclassification ay ito, nakasaad dito na the results of the comparative assessment for expanded reclassification or career shall remain valid until fully exhausted. So anong ibig sabihin nito? Qualified candidates who have obtained the minimum cut-off, the minimum 50-point cut-off score, but were not reclassified due to budgetary constraints shall be automatically prioritized in the succeeding fiscal year prior to the consideration of new applicants without the need to undergo a new assessment subject to the availability of funds. All eligible candidates shall be accorded the opportunity for reclassification in subsequent years as the program continues to receive funding and implementation support. Yan ang sinasabi ko na pangtanggal ng stress. So kung kayo ay na-stress sa pagproseso ng inyong mga documents at umabot kayo doon sa teaching demo at saka incoy assessment, sure ako na makukuha nyo ang 50 points na cut-off. Kaya ngayon pa lang, congratulations mga ka-Jesnabs. Sadyang pinagpala kayo. At saka thank you thank you dito sa expanded career progression at maraming mga teachers ang madadagdagan ng sweldo syempre dahil nga sa promotion, no? Sabi nila hindi daw ito salary increase. Naku naman, pag ikaw ba ma-promote, hindi ba yan salary increase? Wag na nating i-twist yung story, basta yan ay dagdag sa sweldo, maano man sa kahit sa anong paraan, yan po ay dagdag sweldo. So guys, thank you for having me. Hanggang dito lang muna, hindi ko muna ito ubusin. Bye-bye.